Today is February the 10th, 2025, about 1:52 in the afternoon, and what I'm showing you here is where we have been staying since November the 15th of 24. And I just want to do a little review of this park here and just show you some things and tell you some things about it. But that's their name right there, and of course you can see the phone number. It's even got a nice little trailer right there. So first of all, I'm going to start out here where it's at. I guess I'll start with this over here. You see right there on the fence, that's their address right there. 12565 County Road 9. This is County Road 9 right there. And this way, you see that traffic going by down there. That is 98. So if you go down there and you make a left, you will go to Foley. That's about 7 miles or so away. And if you go to the right, then you'll go to Fairhope, which is about a 20-minute drive, give or take. You see, it's got these fences all here. This is the entrance and the exit. Of course, there's only the one way in and out. It's not a big park. It doesn't have any what you would call amenities at all. And for us, that's been perfectly fine, because that's always fine, depending on wherever we go. That we don't really use things at a park other than just the spot where we stay. And of course, I'll show you our spot in a little while. But you can see right here is the front row, and I mean that is us over there. And there's room for what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, I guess, trailers on this front row. And then there's several more rows back here. They've actually been working on adding a couple of rows, and they've just about got them done. But as far as what you pay here, you pay $5.98 a month, all inclusive. I mean, that's, unlimited electric, of course your water, your sewer, full hookups, of course, and internet. The internet, I mean, it's kind of like your typical RV park internet. It's not the greatest. However, in saying that, I mean, it does work. And what I mean by that is I have uploaded videos. It's slow, of course, but I've uploaded videos, 2 and 3 gigs in size. It takes several hours to do it. But just wanted to point out the flag over there. And then over there, that's across the road, those nice trees over there. But yeah, anyway, the internet is usable, so that works at least. You can get mail and packages here, and in fact you get a mailbox, and I'm going to take you over there and show you those. It's very, very quiet here. That's the one thing they'll tell you before you come, that it's really, really quiet, and they are right. As far as in the park itself, I mean, traffic and stuff, you can't do nothing about that. But yeah, it's been very, very quiet, very peaceful. There's no drama here. There isn't, and they don't put up with any. But I mean, seriously, we've not heard any kind of fights or craziness, drunken parties, nothing like that at all. And that's a very good thing, of course, if you're after peace and quiet. Now, like I said, there's no amenities here. If you're looking for a swimming pool, if you're looking for a playground for kids, if you're looking for a clubhouse to do all of this, that, and the other, and if you're looking for a laundromat, none of that is here. So it is a no-frills park. But again, that's what we like, because when we have gone to these, full of things. Oh, by the way, let me put that old Chevy on there, an old Belle Air right there. But yeah, whenever we've gone to these parks with all these amenities and all this nonsense, then we don't use that sort of stuff anyway. So all we're looking for is full hookups and peace and quiet, and a place to rest and hang our head, so to speak, hang our hat, I guess I should say. Now there is this little building right here. That's what I wanted to bring you here for and show you. And there's nothing in this building. It's not open. You can't get into it or nothing. But I think they do plan to put maybe laundromat in here or something at some point, because it's just an empty building. Right over there is the mailboxes, so you get your own mailbox with your spot. And then down there to the left, that is where your the two dumpsters are. There's most of these over here, about half of these at least, are brand new that just got here. These are the last two lines that they've been building, like I said, all winter. So they're actually getting them filled up already. So pretty good deal. Somebody set up a little picnic site there. Interesting. But yeah, this is basically the park, and about everything I can tell you. So I'll go and do a quick little review of my spot and show you that. Alright, so you can see the truck right here. You can see you got that little concrete area. But you know what I mean, I could pull out literally all the way to about where his break over there is and be more than fine for people to get through here. But I stay back that far. But you see, this is the area for your trailer. And so what you get is you get concrete on this side, and this is where I park the car at, of course. And then you can see plenty of room for the trailer, and plenty of room to get, you know, between the trailer and the truck there. I mean, you know, there's several feet there easily. But anyway, as I've told you, it's full hookup. You know, it's nothing you don't expect. There's your electric right there, of course. Sewer over there. And now we've had a lot of crazy cold temperatures, so they came around and put the plastic on everybody's water there to keep it from freezing. And that's worked like a charm. So that's good. But yeah, you got several spigots on that thing anyway to hook up to as well. So you've got that. And then you can see the space that we got here. You can see the trailer's looking a little raggedy again, sadly. But now see, on this side, you've got all these bricks here. And this right here, this is my wife's hammock thing that it got a little bit wet last night, so I got on the truck drying. And but this is what this is her hammock. And again, you can see the car there, and look how much space there is in front of it. So, you know, I mean, I'm all the way back here in the back of this. But again, so space for everything, space to come outside. You can put chairs out here, you can put a table. I mean, and they don't care about you putting stuff out either. So you can bring, you know, chairs, tables, umbrellas, whatever you want. And like I've already told you about the internet and everything here. So, you know, for what you get and the conveniences you get, and that's the big thing to us. First of all, it's out in the country. That's why it's so quiet. And that's a very good thing. Got beautiful trees around. And then, like I said, you're only about 7 miles or so from Foley that way, and then going that way. If you go down here to 98, then you'll go to Fairhope, and you'll be there in about 20 minutes or even less, maybe 15. And then to get to Mobile from here is maybe 30, 35 minutes, something like that. And then to get to Florida, the border, a state line of Florida, is you go this way, like you're once, you know, in fact, you do go straight through Foley right down 98, and in about 30 minutes time, you will hit the state line of Florida. You can be in Pensacola in about 45 minutes from here. I know I've done it probably 4 or 5 times a minimum since we've been here. So it's close to things, it's convenient to a lot of things. If you value quietness, no drama, no craziness, no anything like that going on in the park, and just things work, and you like your peace and your quiet, this is your place. If you want, you know, big time amenities and all that stuff, then this ain't your place. But for me, I would truly highly recommend this place. And if we ever come back to this area, and I don't know if we will or not, but if we do, I absolutely would not hesitate to stay here again. So you take that for what it's worth. But you know, we've been traveling solid and nonstop now for over 4 years. We've been to a lot of parks, and let me tell you, I've been to some bad ones. But this, honestly, for us and our wants and needs and desires, this does it. So hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, you know, I'll see what I can answer, if I can answer any of them at all. But I've said about everything that I know. All right, so you take care of yourselves, and I will see you at the next camp spot.